In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gpt Zapier custom actions. So whether you're new to Zapier or just need a refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can harness the power of automation effectively. First, you'll want to head over to the Zapier website. Zapier is a fantastic tool that allows you to automate workflows by connecting different apps and services together. Once you're on their site, locate the Login button. This is where you'll need to sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, create one. It's quick and straightforward. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Zapier home. This is essentially your command center, where you can create and manage all your zaps. Here you'll see a variety of options. But today, our focus is on setting up a custom action with ChatGPT. Next, navigate your way to the Zaps section. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new zap. This is where the magic of automation genuinely begins. The interface is user-friendly, guiding you with prompts to set up the actions you want your zap to perform. With your new zap open, your next move is to click on the Action option. Actions are the tasks your zap will perform in response to a trigger. It's kind of like setting up a series of dominoes that fall into place once the first piece is tipped. Now, once in the Action Setup section, search for ChatGPT. Zapier integrates smoothly with ChatGPT, allowing you to leverage its powerful AI capabilities directly in your workflows. You'll see ChatGPT appear in the search results. Click on it to move forward. At this point, you should be on the ChatGPT setup page within Zapier. This is where you configure how ChatGPT will run within your Zap. You'll need to have your API key ready to connect your ChatGPT account, if required. Once connected, you can select the specific actions you want ChatGPT to perform. This could be anything from generating text responses to more complex language processing tasks. And that's essentially it. You've now learned how to set up Gpt Zapier custom actions. Remember, the beauty of Zapier lies in its ability to automate mundane tasks, freeing up your time for more critical tasks. By following these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your productivity using AI-powered automation. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment. Happy automating!